everyone, today I'll show you how to set keyboard sound settings in Oppo A7 Pro Max. Just watch the video till end and follow the steps one by one. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.